No, man. MacG is the goat. Let's not lie. Let's not. I know kunabo Penuele, manje kungene open chats, kunabo abo DJs boo. MacG is building. He's building an empire when it's come to podcasting.
Ngikudlile wena Sithole because umfana intombazana izongena kwi original profile abakhulume obvious cause lapha ngibonile ukuthi nami like bengimesa la ama rips bawavela. Okay.
She's a feminine gay. She wears gays. Why is it bothering you? You understand? Because angafakanga kuwe. There's a skate.
Igama lakho Sithole or it's just a name.
No, you wanna know my real name?
Yeah.
Those with now more show that show me is telling me more uploader. Ufuna singcono ku-uploada list.
Yeah. I hear you. Yeah.
Omunye ungishare ngeSnigeria. Wazi kusifunda iSnigeria. Baya reactor.
Like I don't care about like what people say. I wanted this thing. I wanted LGBTQI community on the channel. This is part of.
Okay, hey guys, it's popping 8 of May. Hey guys, my name is Opie O'Brien.
Hey guys, it's a girl push my music. Ipodlela lakho la ice representing mnandi njengaba mnandi mina kuyoba mnandi bani.
Franco. Hey banyana ke awusona awusneli on the block the droppers of the rapists.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is your girl Olaf Coco Brown.
Franco.
So guys, today's living Australia. Australia, okay, is of course money. It gets today. So Australia is actually the manager, the founder, the umbrella, the everything. Because of course, Augustine Sithole ku Kasi Gay Stories, you first found, of course, Nisola la Peguti Sithole Mina. So now Sithole job.
Okay, alright, guys. Thank you for having me on your show. Guys, I don't know, man. I never been interviewed before. And Zaga interviewer, so I don't know what to say. But like, yeah, Stolimina is a channel. So yeah, man. So today we are here.
So guys, if you also heard today, Stolimina is a channel. It's everything.
It's an umbrella.
So today, me and my girls, we have questions for Sithole, of course, to just find out about his nothing. Like we have questions about the umbrella of Sithole, everything, about the videos, the YouTube-ness, and so guys, my question for Sithole.
Guys, ask guys. Yeah, go ahead.
So, what inspired you to pursue this passion?
That's actually a good question, B. Okay, I'm somebody who love reality, like so much, like in kind of reality. I don't watch like I'm a soapies, like cause I know it's acting. You understand? So I'm somebody who like to follow like reality stories. How did you find out when you were this? How did you find out when you were that and everything, like real life situations. So I'm inspired by entertaining, like about documentary. In fact, you understand? A documentary in general. So the reason I even started like a YouTube channel, I used to watch like a lot of Abo Jorogeni, Abo MacG, Banbani. So I started realizing which so there's like a real life like situations, because by interviewing I'm a celebrity and stuff, you understand? Yeah. So I'm a celeb, they're telling their upcoming exactly, which is Tina Sugago Pika. Okay, so these people like Bane Lon and Jengati, they had like inking before they get where they are. You understand? So that's why which I wanted to document like real stories of Ilona for Abantu, what are people going through. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's my story.
So ufile kanjani mawusawuthole abantu abazoshuta for i-podcast yakho?
Yo, I felt, I was like honored. I was like, this is the dream come true, because at the end of the day, these things, if you can check my videos, I used to sit alone, just record and ngithi top 5 sangomas, rich sangomas in South Africa. Ngibabiza ngamagama ukuthi Spanibani wenza look no look Spanibani wenza, and I used to get like 1,000 views and stuff. You understand? So but it was to gain more followers ukuthi ngizobana this umbrella. So the moment, answering your question, so the moment everything started ukuthi manje I know ukuthi okay Kasike stories or the Gen Zs or ladies chat and everything, I was like exactly, I'm a blind deity and stuff. I was like, it's a dream come true, because this is what I wanted from the get-go. The rest, past 2 years, because I think each channel in close to 2 years now, it was just so they can hear what's coming. You understand? So I was so happy to answer your question. I was so happy with Abantu people are joining me, even if like we are starting this thing from the bottom, because we are not paying anyone. These are the people who have passion. These are people who have something to say about you understand? Which abantu bakhona ukurelate ku situation here. Yeah, so I was so happy to answer your question.
Like so looking in the question now.
Okay, go ahead.
So like as abantu like abantu abaningi like abafana ba homophobic kakhulu obvious like uyazi nawe ngithi. So like mabangakubuza wena ukuthi like mawuhleli like nale itabane lezi, are you comfortable like communicate nabo like ukukhuluma nabo like comfortable like around you,
around like especially like aba njenga team Kasike stories entabeni. Okay,
sithole na uthi entabeni.
Entabeni. Hey guys, I'm correct this much better. Angana sky to ngena manje safuna ukuexplain. Yes, so to answer your question, how do I feel about Mabazoti, whatever, like I don't care about like what people say. I wanted this thing. I wanted LGBTQI community on the channel. This is part of what I've drafted. You understand? So if people can follow these things, kuna lento lenbayibiza in an ally. I'm not gay. Yeah. I'm not trans, I'm not anything, but I can be hurt to see somebody bullying Obi just the way she is, or about who she is. So if you can follow, you get to learn. I may not be gay or anything, but I can be an ally. Ubonu muntu the way uNkulunkulu amdalenga khona. Do you understand? It mustn't bother you. Ulona, she's a gay, she's a feminine gay, she wears gays, why is it bothering you? You understand? Because there's a status as Lona Ngu. Do you understand? So I wish people can follow Kasike stories a lot, so they can learn a lot. If you can be an ally, if it doesn't bother you and everything. That's why Samuguti, this channel, Samuguti, people must stop killing abantu ba LGBTQI community. We are trying to bring awareness ebantwini. We are trying ukwakha abantu to show the other people the other side. Because even if like you are not gay, you can live amongst gay people. You understand? Yeah. And by the way, guys, gay people are the, how can I put these things? It's a blessing to have gay on your community. And remember, Guti, Maniti gay, and sure, like as a queer community, let me say queer. To have like a queer person like around you is a blessing, because these people don't post any threat. There's no like umuntu can be so comfortable ukushiya umntana no opi. You understand? Because they know umntana wabo will never be violated. To get it. So there's a lot, guys, there's a lot that you have to learn. Just follow Kasike stories. There's a lot that's going to be unfolding. If uzobakwenza izinto bazobhizibana zona, then yeah, you will know more about these things, guys.
So I wanted to ask, I wanted to say before I ask something on the question Ganini.
Yeah.
Yes, they're going to have comments like Lauguti. when ushuta labantu, do you do this and do that and do that? But that also happens to all the podcasts because ama podcast bano interview obomakhosh.
Yes, I've seen those.
Abantu bazothi ulale naye na ukuthi before. So that's why ngithe izinto it's just you know that
I got you.
It's just
Okweti, are you having a case stories because you once slept with like a gay person?
You know, those questions are also let's say on other podcasts as in it also comes the thing with no matter unga interview ban bazothi, you know, did you do this?
Why do you care so much about like but like just to add on what you're saying, Mobine, guys, like I think I don't know how can I put this thing, ne? But like what I'm trying to say, Uguti, I don't know, guys, how can I put this thing? Serious, like honestly, I don't know. But like I feel like it's more like after 9s. You understand?
Yeah.
If you know, Uguti, you are smashing after 9. If you are smashing after 9, you're gonna behave as if like yo. Do you understand? So for me, if like people are intelligent that much, for me putting these things out there, for me coming like, you know, we always say, yo, I don't want you guys fighting. Nina, like you guys are one thing. Don't do this, guys. No, I don't want anything. Do you understand? So if people really understand it like that deep, they will know which I see collab.
It's collab.
Yeah.
So I have a question of like who's telling Nina the name because I'm a podcast. They have casual names like you know like
I get it.
Now when I see I'm a radio FM so but ufake I'm like inji orange.
Okay, all right.
I need to
okay, the reason was like I was like each and everything that is gonna happen on the channel is gonna be on my shoulder. So I want to carry this burden. I want to carry this criticism. I want to carry everything. So whenever that's gonna happen, they're gonna say, yeah, on that channel, they're gonna come for me. So it's more like if kuna like a hawk, ne? If you tata like abantwana be like inkukwana lezincane. Ebona ukuthi iyenzani ilona ihen. Have you seen hen? Where's Lord? Yes, vanilla guys. So each and everything that's gonna happen outside the umbrella, I'm the right person to be attacked. I'm the right person who's gonna be like I'm saying I'm responsible for everything that's happening here.
Okay.
So like that's why there's no funny name saying whatever. It says yes.
Just is telling
yes. So anything that's gonna happen under it's either it's a swing, which is we don't wish for. It's either we're gonna go through whatever. Yeah, exactly. So Sitole just mean I'm gonna carry this thing. Yeah. That's where I came with that name.
So I also have a question.
Go ahead, Swash.
So Sithole name, igama lakho Sithole or it's just a name?
No, it's a surname.
Or it's a name?
Yeah. Do you wanna know my real name?
Yeah.
Oh my God! No, you know what? Okay. Before I tell you my name, a name for me, I don't know, man. Like, I think since primary or something, if you're gonna call me by my name, it's like you're taking me back to where I started. Like you are taking me back to. English are like imbus and everything.
Understand that?
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, it's like you see. So once you call me by my actual name, it's like you know me personally. Yeah, so once you call me by my name, like it's like even my mom, she don't just call me. It's like if I'm an actor, when I'm an actor, kuna manya they stay in a character for so long. Ukina muntu aba like ipati ya lelo kam. So for them to go back to the reality ne banokuthi bafonisa umuntu wasekhaya ambiza ilelo gama lelo like ekhaya bamazi ngalo. So now they take back to whatever le bayibizani ukugcoka character. That's where they're gonna come out of the okay before these things I'm Sibongile. Do you understand? Yeah, so yeah, you still wanna know my name? Okay, igama lami uFedi. So in length is Frederick. Yeah, Frederick. It's yabona mangene eJoburg before you figure a main.
Yes, the main.
My side to get it is sour. I need to eat village. Then ingena eSawa.
Okay.
First street, second street is Frederick.
Frederick.
Yeah.
Should to Fred.
We are one.
What am I just afraid? No. Fed. Yeah.
Baros to license jobs.
Ngiyafana lelukutshela today yolukhohlwa today.
Yeah.
So solid. It's like usho like I need to like create na ike umbrella.
Yes.
Like ikhaya like ile ikhaya lendabantwana phakathi.
Yes.
Seliyahamba. Like seliya like ikhaya lakho. Like abantwana bazala wa like kwaba ikhaya nje ligcwele.
Yeah.
So kulelo khaya leli igoal yakho yini? Ubona nje like manje sekuyikhaya nje selihlangene. Wena igoal yakho phakathi like mawusubona le ikhaya ubonani?
Oh, okay. Guys, honestly speaking, because this is just a humble beginning. Thank you for asking that question. Aim yami or goal yami is to you guys become the stars. It's for you guys presenting our shows America and Jengo Trevor no. It's to see you guys going places. It's to see you guys from la kuleli couch lane go TV. From la like I'll you guys have like it's an investment. I'm investing in you guys. So to see you guys going out there, I have done my work. Like this is what I want to be remembered as. With Story waqala
obvious mabangibiza ku podcast bathi who understand Story.
You see just imagine lo muntu lana usho these things kuphi eAmerica ukuthi I am where I am because I started from wherever you understand
from Soweto Freedom.
Exactly. So that's the goal, that's the aim, is to see you guys like I just want to build stars and I want you guys to believe in yourself. If like as Mamises always says, if ungabi him uzoba bani. Do you understand? So if it's not you guys, who will be stars of tomorrow? Because the new generation is coming. So I like it's more like I'm preparing you guys, I'm building confidence in you guys, I'm building every skills. So I just want you guys to be the best you can. I just want to see you guys flying. That's what I will sleep nice at night once yeah.
Because of one class one.
Exactly.
Broadcasting into
Exactly.
Obvious so like we went la bamthatha me ba interview le indawo obvious like obvious angeke like uzothi ayimna ngihambi ngiyi1 like so athi obvious angihambi ngiyi1 lento le angiyenzi ngiyi1 nabangani bami
We've been that like kunalo bekasifuna ku podcast yabo. So watshela ukuthi ngicela namba ngaSposh yabo. So like angeke ngivele ngizovele ngithi ngihamba ngiyi1. So ngivele ngathopha ngayiphi.
Because you are not living in one behind.
ufana lento lokuthi sithole uthi guys ngifuna ku interview mara ngifuna 2.
Yeah.
Angeke ufune 2 uyazi ukuthi labantu laba by 4 mara ufuna 2 kulabantu la.
Yeah, if it's squad
Squad isithathe sinjalo. Angeke phela uyakhumuza uthi angifuna mama nomntwana bahlali nina sibona ukuthi mhlala bayiphela ngaphandle
Abazokuba bahlala ngaphandle.
ngasala abantwana bamhlala ngaphandle ngifuna ayikho le.
So go wonke ama podcast which one do you like uyibona like ufeel ngathi I'm the podcast like the way so figure la the way already podcast njengathi you look up to like again to call it podcast.
Wait.
Motivated.
Yeah.
Motivate namanje ke.
On the channel. On the channel,
not on the channel.
Yeah.
Outside the channel.
Oh, outside this channel.
Like
No, man. McG is the goat. Let's not lie. Let's not. I know kunabo Penuele, manje kungene open chats, kunabo abo DJs boo, kunabo. Like there's a lot out there, but what McG is doing, what McG is building. He's building an empire when it comes to podcasting. So like la SA ngibukele ku McG ukuthi you know what McG even Elon IQ community I wanted it, but like seeing McG doing it. Yes.
But
no, you know what? It's because kube ne fight yaka Buji no Poeti. Yes. The gay guy. No, the gay guy. The gay guy.
We're going to ama reality show like Mzansi Bioscope. So
yes, so nice. Yeah. So I learn a lot watching Elon. What was the name of that show? I forgot, but like yes, I learned a lot. Especially I was like, yeah. Where's it gonna 1, 2, 3? Yay! Where's it gonna 1, 2, 3? So I was like, I wanted to know more. Boom. Story Saga Poetic. McG took that show out. Yeah, but then I was like, I was having this hunger. I wanna know more. Like, what's going on? Like, what's up? You understand? Then I was like, like I'm building a channel, which I wanted like a soccer podcast. What in I was like, bingo. You know what? I'm going in with LGBTIQ because I'm investing in these things. I want to know more about this. I was like, oh no, what about the banana on the channel? What in banana slot? Then boom, Kasike Stories was born.
Let's YouTube. I think guys every day.
Yo, guys, Kasike Stories is the best when it comes to numbers. Like even J Abbas paramisa with Sasa yibo basinikeza like reason ukuthi kusasa sishoot because you can't just amaningi ama podcast you don't just make 1K in 2 days or 3 days. That's massive. That's massive, guys. So yeah, things like that.
Okay, guys.
Buzan guys. You guys even behind the scene, guys, we do have people. Guys, behind the scene, if you want to ask something, please do ask, guys.
Buza. Cool. Oh,
Mr. Cameraman, any question?
Actually, since sicale lento no isithole yimina ne into ngiyibonile broadcast yama gay guys you pick up
Kasike Stories
ama levels
yeah
so far.
Now shout out to Kasike Stories, guys. Shout out. Let's just keep it moving. Smash you I don't know what to have in a now.
So now you question.
Okay, go ahead.
My city like okay, you can see story. No, it's totally me and it's like an umbrella. Gunabo think how many was. I'm a lady's chance number.
Yeah.
So my city, you can see stories. Like lawa consistency ga cool. A pull her out, like maybe we open my Sarai Tutala, we are maybe Eastern Cape. I choose again to tell you okay, let's say we are week. Okay, Masiti, like okay, maybe like no money, start opportunity somewhere. Okay, obvious. I guess consistent with
now you're pushing your own.
Like obvious. like obi uzobe content creator la hlala khona mina like obvious unento yafuna ukuyenza empilweni like makangakhula like makangaba nemali kahle kunalento le yafuna ukufocus yakhe ukuthi uyabona ne mangaba la impilo yami izohamba sharp then maybe nabo bani lo mfana lo abo Benito because ngibona ngathi bo manje ngathi bayathanda ukushuta kakhulu then abo Benito nebathini I told ever since sibone ngathi ishow yakho ayisatholi maybe like ama views amaningi nathi sesi like phuma la sesithole enye channel futhi ezothuka like ungafila kanjani like sekwenzeka lento le.
I hear you Nelly. What a beautiful question. You know what guys, ne? There's nothing painful than goodbye. Ayiko like there is nothing painful than seeing people like they say you see because you're always looking, as a creator, I'm always looking forward for the next show. Then somebody says it will be so heartbreaking for me. Like, yo, just imagine after you guys have built something. Today, I know I still have you guys on Wednesday, or maybe once a month. I know okay, I'm a views. You still have like that thing, even if you can see that like people are leaving you, but at least they're still saying, yo, we still have like slice of bread we can offer you. So that will be so painful. I know it's gonna come, but like right now I'm not ready. I don't know how I'm gonna feel, but like but like it will be so heartbreaking, honestly speaking, just to see everyone pulling out, doing this. I was like, yo, but like, well, it will happen, but like, come on, it will be so devastating, guys.
No.
Okay. Siyaphula sonke ne
ngiplanile
I hear you.
It's not like obvious ufuna ukwaziwa without this show maybe what if nje khona umuntu okubhekile ukuthi okay ngifuna ukubona ukuthi consistent jikijiko naso uphula out obvious bazobona ukuthi ngathi okay uSbash manje consistent yazi singathatha yena ukureplace abantu jikijiki ichance lebe iza ku iye kuSbash uthola ukuthi uSbash manje sakahamba yasamwe uyo represent abantu wena utshole ne babamtshela mabasani contract back yes besingafuna besifuna because akekho consistent sithathe wena because sibone ngathi userious uyabona so sithole okay naba abantu bayaphula apha like bayaphuma bonke bayaphuma ishow maybe umangale kancane uyabona ukuthi hayi man ama subscribe ayayehla because angisabaphi lento le bengibatsho ukuthi ngiyabafida yona so umangale jikijiki i-account yakho ibheniwe ne like obvious angithi abaza abantu ukuthi banjani athi ngimbuza hayi ngidaba le why ayisabora so man it's like chomintezeka uthola ukuthi umuntu like sakana 50,000 like 100 and something thousand followers jikijiki kwamela aqale from scratch like into lengifuna uthola ukuthi uyabona ngithi obvious mase sihambile manje ngisubscribe uthola ukuthi manje kwamele siqale from zero like obvious from zero angeke kusaba nalento lokuthi like obvious like kuzoba nalabo ukuthi yathi ngeke phela silandelele kayi2 sho ukuthi abantu laba khona umunye futhi oyivulile until wena uzusho ukuthi no guys yiyo le account etheqiniso obvious abantu bazothi kuba nale show le ngapha kunale so like eyiphe eqiniso so into le ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi like abantu ngeke bazoba baphumile then ishow iwe ungazama ngabonke ukuthi like uyibuyise back or uzothi because laba baphumile manje ngasatha afresh or like ungagive up ukuthi because baphumile
okay iwile. I hear you Anneli. You know what ne, this thing is like is my life, like I'm investing so much as much. Obi, when you say let's say by validation at whoa, she's feeling like that's what I'm feeling when your visa saying this thing. I was like, what is she saying really? So I get it. No, I hear you. It's a nice question, ne? What a beautiful question. So ekuqaleni ikhona enye ya report already beyiku 1.1 Kasike stories. Right now, like even if I can pull YouTube, you will see it by keeping, but it's still there. Episode 4. Episode 4. Yeah. I don't know. And bang pena for how long? Now vula enye channel, ne? We're still waiting. So I still have that thing you could see. Even if something can happen, it's not gonna stop me. Especially like on this journey that I just started. Like, yeah, like, yo, I don't know, like, but there's nothing. I like for starting over again. If this thing crashes, I'm willing to. That's how much I invested in this thing. That's why, like, Ababongi sometimes she might find out which, let's say, shoot and mhlawumbe udlala ngefoni ngithatha ifoni ngibeke eceleni fela somthepho and stole that's how passionate I am with these things. Like ngifuna professionalism out there. Ngifuna ukuthi when people watch this thing bangabi nama excuses.
Yes,
you understand? Like yeah, ukuthi lento lena into kudlala na. Do you understand? So that's how much I invested in these things. Ngifuna like I want nothing but the best. I even started another channel na kuyo le enye ngipostani ngiyabona lama clipping wakhatha ngithi kuleya ngithi go and watch on the main channel. I think now it's sitting on 27 subscribers or something, the other channel ngayivula because leya bebayibheni. So banginikeza strike, I waited ukuthi lesa strike is paid, but hence I'm busy doing something again on the other side. You understand? So I don't think there's something can stop me. I don't think so. There's something like there's a fire in me of creating. There's fire in me seeing you guys happy. There's fire in me seeing a unit. So I don't think there's something that's gonna stop me. This much.
Like question you asked. Next month. So I think you podcast and just
funny that we should be
No, what do you mean? I know what you're just joking.
Because we don't just cool like big man like maybe mutanga ibuzanga le question le ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzoza nuthi mina senyahamba obvious kuzoba nalento lokuthi uzokubuza ukuthi why uhamba kwenzakalani
like
1 2 3 1 2 like afuna ukuyazi ukuthi okay why usibosha hamba nanoma like obvious ama viewers azobuza ukuthi why usibosha hamba
and I have to answer
obvious like kwamela akumele because obvious wona ngikwazi batsho ukuthi hayi into yena angithuyile competition kwamela kumele ukuthi usibosha uphumile because 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3.
And remember that viewership is very important. I have to remember I said what I carry everything. So I had to like ekaya like what's going on. So the more mina now skulum I will say guys it's family matters guys. She's gone because of this is what happens. Even if
one thing about podcasting, but I see like I'm a social media won't it goes with yabona no matter bathi thina siyahambe kasi intontweni yaphela it will go to a point ukuthi usithole maybe sekakhulile at that point because of course masizalana when you podcast sifuna something new from whatever we spoke about long time you know so it's more like no matter singa back down also upgrade actually tabani ezincane but ezinkulu kunalezi because babona i-podcast ineyitabane before like ngifila ngathi i-social media ne it goes with now mawushuta chomi isithombe ma-uploader ufuna esingcono uku-uploada lesi
I hear you.
because angithi like obvious thina ngitsophuma
so phuma
and then nesho izoba ikhulile kuzoza later abantu like abo Dominic Zaca like later abantu ezindala like lezi ezikhulu
sibona ukuthi like i-podcast lena it was filled with gays so we can also so ngifila ngathi if singahamba it's not like izowa because yabona nale ama-subscribers akhona angeke asayehle noma ahleli fana nama-followers like nami ngifila ngathi ahleli no matter kungayenzekani ahleli amile so mangiposta futhi aphinda that's ngithi I feel like lokho ukuthi amanye ama-podcast azostopa ayastopa then bafuna ukubona ukuthi usiphatheleni like entsha you know there's fana nathi mas-podcaster like sifuna something else that abazoyi-expect
something new
so ngifila ngathi le unelayisho ukuthi if bangahamba protest izowa maybe example but ngifila ngathi noma u-uploada nawe uyabona ukuthi yo bele ngibanyise kuleza
ungabanyiswe mara like uyenze ukuthi ubanyise mara lento lobe expectile kungabi yiyo uthi nawe yabona lesi sihot ukudlula lesiya yabona lesi sithule 1k lesi sithula 3k sibona sithi like ukuze like ukuya ngamne angeke ngithi lesithombe lesiya like ngithole 1 point something angeke ngiyibale le 1 point something because I know one thing ane once wabona ama shares amaningi vele uyazi ukuthi okay bon let's let's 7 sina 1.8k and so cabanga ama reaction engakhe 800 kusho ukuthi le like ama shares 800 ama like 1.8 ama like you obviously manje ngiyawadelete kakhulu
and just imagine ukuthi kulaba abasharing more people outside as well
uzothola ne obvious khona laba abasharing nabo mara ngeke bangikhomba ngithi obvious khona intombazana like obvious ngigudlile wena Sithole because umfana intombazana izongena kwi original profile ilike then nyazi ukuthi mara the 700 and something ayibonke bakhulume into enhle khona bakhulume obvious cause lapha ngibonile ukuthi nami like bengimesa la ama rips bawavela obvious like ngibonile nje bathi yini awudle kini abakufili enough obvious lo othe abakufili like lento lokuthi abakufili enough sayisiyenza isithombe sokuthi lo ashare athini ngibona in njalo like obvious mina kuwe le ngizosibona sisihle angiboni mistake abantu abaningi mara umuntu ne uzosibheka
asibhekisisa
athi like sithola yabona the more ubheka kakhulu into uyayibona like namse ngiqala ukuba the more ubheka into kakhulu uyayibona into embi kulesithombe lesi
fana nomuntu Thomi ngizobheka usibongile manje for isikhathi eside ngimbone ngathi movie ngapha movie
like u-Obi sitholele unakadele u-Obi bengimbhekile ngathi wathi umuhle then ngachief ngambheka futhi athi Thomi ngathi mara athi inkingi ungibheke kakhulu like if bonga ngibhekanga bekungeke ngisabuyela kule profile yami okay
what happened nosinikezile wona like
sifune oxygen
okay wazangitheleni okay kanya upload okay yimlo ya upload ngo 4 futhi ngithini leso siyababa isithobe ke maybe
okay
ngishute izolo ngithi yazi ne ngeke ngisi-uploade ngabo 1 so ayibona basesikolweni ngiyabamela labantwana babuya esikolweni ngiyabamela labantwana ngifuna like bonke
that's a strategy by the
like strategy like vile vele into vele ngiyenzile ukuthi yabona labantwana laba ngifuna ngo4 ngiya-uploada yilo ngiya-uploada hayi isithembe sithi like 1 minute 190 something 3 shares ngithi siyahamba isithombe like sengiyajabula ngithi yabona nekusho ukuthi sizo like le profile nje iyajala
anamuntu ophake ishow wonke
hathi ngikhona neshow mara like inkinga uyabona the most le kuba ne love ne care abo ha ne sharp ne like ne wow angeke zivele sizovalwa yi love ne care cause is like okay I upload again before you know it's just lesithombe lesi asiyababa lesi and like mama nayi makasibona uthi alaw upload ithi mara ubheki ngikupha kusasa like sengiyazi ukuthi ubheke ngikupha kusasa okay mlali sithombe 800 and something sithole ne nga like angifuni uqamba manga ne nga uploada 2021 between 2021 and 2022 ngathola 3 likes. Wait,
same picture.
I same picture.
Oh, you're just saying with
like,
yeah, okay.
So let's upload. Angazi ukuthi 2021 yeah 2022 angazi ukuthi 2022 ngithole One Direction. 2023 One Direction. 2024 One baba thole ne. Like angazi kanjani ne. Mara nayo le bangigudlile ngayo. Like bathi yini. So trenda kakhulu from your 3 to uploaded for how many years?
But like it's an improvement.
Mara from 3 ne. Ngazibuza nami ngathi mara from 3 likes, 0 comments, 0 shares. I call it a rogla. That's okay again. It's like I man, sihambe sithombe sami. I again, kufuka isithombe sithi 500 shares. Ngitshela athi ngiyaba ngigudlile la athi chomusathi bathi ngiyibone umfana wasevenda agu uyabona the more ifike nasevenda mathi the more ifike evenda obvious nabanye basevenda basherile mathi yazi ne okay shikuthi kule 500 le obvious laba ba share kakhulu aba like obvious umuntu angeke ayenzeni a share a like like kunalabantu laba ukuthi ngeke ngimenzele zonke ngeke so le kunokuthi like uyonela post content yakhe ne but mina angeke ngilike that's why nyamazi uyonela like ngisengimjwayela uyonela yo angipha ngeke ngimlike everything I share like I post nalento ukuthi guys share ngeke share everything yakho ku news feed yami kuzogcwala wena obvious the more ama follower wami sitholene anyuka bazothi shukuthi wena awuzithembi ngibusy like the more ngikushare angithi abantu like bazo like aba abam nabo bayahamba bayakuwe obvious abam manje bazothi lo akasiniki more content lo uyasipha then ngizothi yazi ne angeke ngimsharele everything
Sikupreference.
Okay.
That's it for me.
Okay, ne book profile yami. Okay, kube nalento lokuthi okay.
Venda. Okay, venda.
Okay, even ngiyasho ukuthi nami yabona lesitholene. Ngibona ukuthi okay, what uthi lo mfana 7 usherile. And angimazi ngaleso sikhathi. Ngithi yo. And angikwazi ukusifunda kahle izibini. Ngithi yo uzothola ngigudle kabuhlungu. And obvious lo 7 makasherile. Bazo share kweyakhe ipost laba basevenda laba basevenda bazo share not kweyami obvious bazofuna ukukhuphula like uyazi nabanye ne bayangigudla ngibone like intaba ithi 3 like ngithi hayi akangithusi lo like kunalabo ukuthi yababona aqala kuyayibheka intaba like i-account yahamba uthi hayi lo wethu like makangigudla maybe uzonyusa naye ama like wakaze ngiyakuzonyusa because bazobona ukuthi hayi umgudlile in bazo like ngithi obvious ukuthi ungigudlile mara kusasa makashare ngeke basa like ngoba akagudlanga someone so okay bashare ithi ka profile 1.6k ngona angitext athi kumnandi kuba uya trade ngithi okay ngitrenda kanjani athi Like I was bullied. Like obviously ngiyakho ngiyatshela hey back trend isaka like uzoba nento like back trend isaka uyaduduza ukuthi kusho ukuthi musiyanyisa nje le profile yiyo mangibona hayi man le profile ehambile isukile evenda still iye kuphi like umuntu mfana so like uthi la ngihlala khona manje sakangena music UKZN obvious kunabafana abaseNathan phezulu lapho nabo bayasha omunye ungishare ngeSnigeria wazi ukusifunda iSnigeria baya reactor ha nabo
wena bakushera yonke indawo
like tholele bona lo akasazi iSnigeria because ubone laba what if later like nice bona bakwazi ukusifunda bakwazi ukuyifundela mara nama ngitranslator to English yo ngiyabona ukuthi ngidlala bathi yigita like bathi bathi la ngasha uthi umuntu mfana athi yabona la esikubeni sakho singasha iloliwe yo ngithi kusho ukuthi ithakazahara le like into ka yosithole ngasho ukuthi yabona like manje ne senyukile futhi 800 siyasho ukuthi yona le thola ne aba react kule ngipostile kule ngithi yabona hayi ngimuhle ke aba react
bayakulesiya
bayangena ku profile badlule bafune lesiya seprivate why uya mina ngithi reactor kulezi when uyazikhethela
wena nina ama 6 pack niya gym
thola ne mina ngangijuzile ukuthi
ngifuna ukuthi
untombazana nje ngithi intombazana yila mantombazana
manje wena unenkinga nokugudla
chom like uyabona ne from like
because I think ukuthi wena unenkinga so wena
chom okay uzakutshela mina ke chom uzangitshela okay uzangibekele yona kahle sithole ne nani mo umuntu sithole mama ngakugudla account yami ngeke ufile kahle
very true
unuzofila kahle makagudla kwe account wena makagudla kweyami
ngelo stop ne
so sithole ne wena manga trade account yami obvious uzobona lento le ukuthi obvious the more you trend the account in someone gains more than you obvious amathe ngebasafuna ukubona wena because bazobona ngathi lo udeliver icontent enzani yakho la wena ungekho sharp khona mara like through like chomene kunokuthi ne like mas shooter uzibona la ngimuhle angazi ukuthi mayifika emafonini wethu
kwenzakalayo
oriyini
ngama Android wethu
oriyini ama Android lawo thina so yazi le sithole ne lapha ne mouse bona ne ulive maluthi uSmile ayika mayifika kuyakhe phone awuzibona ngalendlela or ukuthi like mawulala or ukuthi mawulala
so mawushitiwa noma mawushita ngecrew mina ngizokutshela because wena unaka abantu so that's why ngithi question it wena mawushuta uyi-1 or mawushuta ngecrew
chom mabona mangi
ndula leyo question
yabona thola ne mangisakile ngiyayifila noma ngatrend
awukushukuthi nje
crew ingela ile crew like obvious so the crew
yabona to be crew nami
I don't analyze ukutrenda crew ne ungalento lokuthi obvious
favorite
kuzoba le favorite yazi thola ne mina ne like lapha ngokuthanda ukuqala ne bekuyilento lokuthi you know what first time bakule crew le obvious attention kubani kimi because bani umuntu omusha bakhathele yila bakudala babagudla bafuna into entsha okay sizolandisa istabane maybe le Free State sinhle sithole istabane singaba sihle ungayiboni wena mistake noma abantu ngayibona mara cause muhle like musha nje kule group kuzogudlwa yena bazokhohlwa ngami cause ayi lo
we used to know
lo bangudla abantu cause nama kusebasho ukuthi abantu uthini Nelly is picking up ngithi hayi
kuma comment
yes
confidence
like obvious story ya comment mina nya comment bathi direct on your comment mangifuna ukubona leyo comment obvious angikusangisa comment le straight kwamele ngiscroll sometimes ukuthi kwamele ngiscroll ukuthi ngithole leyo comment or it's either ngithola already say lapha phezulu. So if ifuna ukuthi ngiscroll obvious angiscroll ngithi ngifune yami kwamele ufunde lawa amanye before ufika kule yakho. So obvious angeke okay uzothola kanjani ukuthi